And welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2015 Mazda 6 2.2 TD SKYACTIV-D SEL Nav Tourer Estate 5-door in metallic blue. It has covered 62,000 miles since new, it's had 2 previous owners and comes with a full service history. Features include satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors, cruise control and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.